heroine hero, you bring me down to zero, and I nearly found my new sound. This is how to pick me up through. Hey, hey, heroine hero, you bring me down to zero, and I nearly found my new sound. This is how to pick me up through. The second chapter's different than the first one. Didn't care about family or no one. Remember sitting on my bathroom floor. All I wanted was to feel pain, nothing was sore. No one understands what this can do to you. Smoke was my Sammy Swinton and I was true to you. And this started out as fun and games. Now I carry on this guilt and shame. Hey, hey, heroine hero, and bring me down to zero, and I nearly found my new sound. This is how to pick me up through. Hey, hey, heroine hero, and bring me down to zero, and I nearly found my new sound. This is how to pick me up through. Oh, hey, hey, heroine hero, you never met a heroine hero. Oh, hey, hey, heroine hero, it's time to meet heroine hero. Hey, hey, heroine hero. Hey, hey, heroine hero, you never met heroine hero. It's time to meet heroine hero. Hey, hey, heroine hero, and bring me down to zero, and I nearly found a new sound. This is how you picked me off the ground.